So one of the challenging things with visualization is making sure that we're displaying the right things to the user at the right time. And the way we start thinking about this in Tableau is maybe at the right level of detail. So imagine we have a bunch of columns that are related to each other in a nested format, like country, state, city. Sometimes users might only want to look at the country, but other times they might want to look at the state, and other times they might want to break it all the way down to the city. Can we facilitate that type of exploration without immediately overwhelming the user with all the details all at once? Can we give them the ability to engage with the data at the level of granularity that they want right now? Or, for instance, if we have a single column, can we somehow take those values, group them into separate groups so that we can really highlight some of the differences that are important in this column rather than draw the user's attention to differences that don't matter that much for the analysis? So Tableau gives us a number of different hooks into this basic idea. Can we display the data at the appropriate level of detail at the appropriate time? This is really drawing us into one of the big ideas of Tableau in general, which is this notion of level of detail, which is important not only in visualizations, but also into calculations. The concepts of hierarchies, groups, and sets, three different pieces of functionality that Tableau provides by default, really do bridge this gap. They bring us into this arena where we're thinking clearly and trying to see clearly what the appropriate level of detail for a particular visualization is. Should I be operating up here, very high level, like not really bothering the user with a ton of detail? Should I be in the middle where I'm offering them some detail but not a ton? Or should I be very, very detailed, like breaking everything down so that all the details are laid bare? Or should I give them the ability to move back and forth along that spectrum as need be? These are all design decisions. It's not like there's one right answer in all circumstances. It changes all the time. So all we're saying here is that hierarchies, groups, and sets give us the tools we need to be able to navigate this spectrum effectively and efficiently.